Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech Blog. Recent Windows versions are quite aggressive at tracking the things you do with your PC, both locally and online. And as you might expect, Windows 11 does it big time. Most users are unaware that this tracking is even taking place, and some of those who are aware don't really mind it. And truth be told, there are even a few folks who like it. Personally, I'm not a fan of being tracked by my computer in any way and having that information phoned home to Microsoft and their third-party advertising partners. If you feel the same way, you can easily disable most of the tracking that's taking place with just a few mouse clicks. First, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now in the left-hand pane, click Privacy and Security. In the right-hand pane, find the Windows Permissions section and click General. Toggle every setting displayed on this page to off. Now, click the back button to return to the previous screen. Return to the Windows Permissions section and click Diagnostics and Feedback. Click Diagnostic Data and toggle every setting there to off. Click the X in the top right corner of the window to exit the Settings app. That's all there is to it. You have now disabled all of Windows 11's most egregious tracking tools. There are still other more subtle tracking tools in use that cannot be disabled. However, the ones you disabled above will go a long way towards protecting your privacy while using your Windows 11 machine. If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.